and in the next class, if you have any doubt, you can ask, or else I'll ask some question randomly, okay? And after that, I'll start VJT. So this is summing amplifier. What is the concept of this summing amplifier? Basically, you can see here we have used 3 input terminals. You can use more than 3. Okay, generally they have used 3 input terminals. Okay, and so in terminal 1, you can see voltage applied voltage is V1, current is passing I1 through resistance R1. In terminal 2 also applied voltage is V2, current is passing I2 and resistance is R2. Okay, and in terminal 3 applied voltage is V3, current passing is I3 and resistance is R3. So, and this 3 current is coming over here. Okay, they are meeting at this node. Let us call the node A, and they are passing through the feedback resistance R, and the total current, that is summation of I1, I2 and I3 is IF, that we have written. IF equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Next, what is going on? When all the 3 inputs are applied, voltage will be V output simply minus of, because we are giving the input in the negative terminal, so minus of IF into RF. Simple calculation, minus of IF into RF. Now instead of IF, we are writing I1 plus I2 plus I3. If there is I4, you will write I4, you will write I5 if there is I5. Next, current equals to, we all know, voltage divided by resistance. So we are substituting, instead of IY, it's V1 by R1. Instead of I2, it's V2 by R2. And instead of I3, it's V3 by R3. Okay. And this is your V output. If R1, R2, R3 all are same, if suppose you are using same resistance in R1, R2 and R3, let us assume 10 kilo ohm. At that time, it will be RF by R, because this will be same. So we are taking common V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. Clear? What is summing amplifier? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Tell me yes or no. Hello?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, can you please explain again?
Summing amplifier part?
Yes, ma'am, I was having a little bit network issues, so.
Okay, no issues. So summing amplifier means basically it will work as a addition of all the current. Okay. So here we have taken 3 input terminals, and at one voltage is V1, current is I1, resistance is R1. At terminal 2, voltage is V2, current is I2, resistance is R2. And at terminal 3, where voltage is V3, current is I3 and resistance is R3. Okay, and you can see from this circuit, this I1, I2 and I3, this is coming at a common node, which is A, denoting over there. Okay, yes, denoting over there, that is A, and they are passing through the feedback resistance, and the summation of these 3 currents are IF. Okay, the current which is passing through the feedback resistance. Obviously, IF will be equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3, because with respect to node A, IF is the outgoing current and I1, I2 and I3 are the inward current. So outer current equals to summation of inward current according to KCL. Okay, simple formula. So IF equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Done. Next. So V output will be now equals to minus Y minus the signal in the output side will be the inverting one, because we are giving signal in the inverting terminal. Okay. So minus RF into IF. Instead of IF, we are substituting I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now I equals to, we know V by R, we are substituting V1 by R1. For I1, for I2, we are substituting V2 by R2. And for I3, it will be V3 by R3. Okay. And this is the final equation. V output equals to minus of RF, that is feedback resistance, V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. if all the resistances values are same, if you have taken same resistance along this I1, I2 and I3, then we can take common that value. So minus of Rs by R, V1 plus V2 plus V3. Done, Shreyoshi?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, now write down. A summing amplifier is an inverted op-amp. A summing amplifier is an inverted op-amp
Ma'am, I
that
think
can
you already wrote this.
have written this.
That can accept.
Ma'am, we wrote this, ma'am.
Okay, and this derivation part?
No, ma'am, it's not.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, so here you will write, at first write down the feedback current IF is equal to the feedback current which goes through RF. The feedback current IF which goes through RF give a comma and then write down IF equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. IF equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. And then write down when all the three inputs are applied, the output voltage is V output equals to this. Write this derivation, just give me 1 minute. Let me bring the water bottle. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Let me know. Done? The calculation part? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, done.
How many students are there? Eight. What was the student strength in the previous class?
I think 14, ma'am. I don't know. 14.
Ma'am, 30. Previous class attendance was 30.
Who is the CR?
And me and Aritrika.
You and Oritrika. I mean Priyanshu and Oritrika, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the previous class also, the strength was very low and today is also same thing. Fine. Okay, so it's done.
Ma'am,
Fine.
Ritika couldn't join because she has a
Ah,
dentist appointment.
yes. That she told me. Now draw this figure, this inverting, this figure, okay? Draw this figure. We'll do some problems. At first, let us do some easy problems. Once you are done, then we will go to some tough problems. At first, draw this figure. This is problem number 1. And write down for the op-amp, determine the value of RF. For the op-amp, determine the value of RF required to produce a closed loop voltage gain of -100. For the op-amp, determine the value of RF required to produce a closed loop voltage gain of -100 when Ri equals to 2.2 kilo ohm. When Ri equals to 2.2 kilo ohm.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Determine the value of RF. For the op-amp, determine the value of RF required to produce a closed loop voltage gain of -100. Required to produce a closed loop voltage gain of -100 when Ri is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm. When Ri is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm. লিখেছ? So what are the given data? Ri equals to 2.2 kilo ohm. Closed loop voltage gain, that is ACL, equals to minus of 100. So ACL equals to V output by V input equals to minus of RF by Ri. Substitute all the values and tell me what is the value of RF.
Ma'am, 220
Unit?
ohm.
No, Bimban, it will be kilo ohm. ঠিক করে দেখো, 2.2 is in kilo ohm. Ri 2.2 is in kilo ohm. Okay, next. Same figure. Next, same figure. You don't need to draw now the figure. Just write down problem number 2. Write down problem number 2. Write down. Determine the output voltage for the circuit shown in the figure. Shown in the previous figure. Just write down. Determine the output voltage for the circuit shown in the previous figure where V input equals to 2.5 millivolt. V input equals to 2.5 millivolt Ri equals to 2 kilo ohm and Rf is equal to 200 kilo ohm. V input equals to 2.5 millivolt. Ri is equal to 2 kilo ohm and Rf equals to 200 kilo ohm. যে কেউ আনসার বলবে না। I'll ask someone, he or she will answer. Everyone do this one in your copy. I'll ask a particular student, he or she will give me the answer.
मैम आगे आंसर था तो 220 किलो ओम तो
Yes.
Okay.
First one is 220 kilo ohm. Okay, Kritika, what is the answer for problem number 2?
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay, do it and then let me know. Use calculator, everyone. Use calculator.
RF कौन सा बोल रहे हैं?
Rf is 200 kilo ohm, Ri is 2 kilo ohm, and V input is 2.5 millivolt.
Ma'am, is it 250
250?
millivolt?
Yes. It will be 250 millivolt, right? Next, problem number 3. Calculate the output voltage from the non-inverting amplifier. Calculate the output voltage from a non-inverting amplifier. In your copy, non-inverting amplifier has been drawn. Please draw that figure. And write down the question. Calculate the output voltage from the non-inverting amplifier for an input 120 microvolt. Draw the figure. Draw the figure of non-inverting amplifier. You have to find out the output for an input 120 microvolt. For an input 120 microvolt. Okay, so the input resistance value is 2.4 volt, kilo ohm. Input resistance Ri equals to 2.4 kilo ohm. Rf equals to 240 kilo ohm.
Ma'am, can you go a bit slow, ma'am?
Yes, which one?
Can you repeat the values?
Yes, 2.4 kilo ohm, that is the Ri. Ri is 2.4 kilo ohm. Rf equals to 240 kilo ohm. and input voltage is 120 microvolt. Do this one in your copy. I'll ask a particular student for the answer. Again, I'm repeating. V input is 120 microvolt. Okay. And Ri is 2.4 kilo ohm. Rf is 240 kilo ohm. Yes, Debobroto, what is the answer? Debobroto Shil, what is the answer?
12 volt.
12 volt is the answer.
Ri 2.4, Rf 240, 240 by 2.4 into 120 millivolt. Then
What
it's
is the,
come 12,000 millivolts.
what is the, yes, Subham Roy, right. Debobroto, what is the voltage gain of an non-inverting amplifier? What is the voltage gain of a non-inverting amplifier?
Minus Rf by Ri equal to
That is
minus
for,
1.
that is for inverting. For a non-inverting amplifier. Copy kholo. Check in your copy. What is the voltage gain of a non-inverting amplifier? Check in your copy.
Ma'am, it's the V1 equal to R1 by R1 plus Rf into V0. That's formula, right?
Yes. So voltage gain ACL
Actually,
equals voltage gain ACL equals to
yes, ma'am. I mean, not inverting it. ওটা দিয়ে করছিলাম সরি ম্যাম
non-inverting এর formula কি আছে? ACL equals to 1 plus RF by RI. আমি
yes
ফার্স্টেই
ma'am
মেনশন করেছি it's a non-inverting amplifier. So here
then ma'am
ACL equals to 1 plus RF by RI. So 1 plus, instead of RF, write down the value. Instead of RI, write down the value. So you will get ACL equals to 101. Taito? What is the answer from the rest student? Am I
yes
right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
101 it is coming. So V output is equal to ACL into V input. 101 into 120 microvolt. So it will be coming 12.12 millivolt. 101 into 120 microvolt, it will be coming 12.12 millivolt. Okay.
yes ma'am now it's come actually লতে বলে আছে
ফর্মুলা গুলো ঠিক করে দেখবে যখন তুমি প্রবলেমটা করছো। Now this one, problem number 3, do this one. What is the আচ্ছা এখানে নাম্বার গুলো একটু haphazard order এ আছে, you just follow the number as it is given in your copy. What is the output voltage in the circuit? Do it and tell me what is the output voltage. Op-amp is very important and most scoring chapter if you are planning to give GATE or NET, whatever. Okay, so op-amp is very scoring, and definitely you will get 1 to 2 questions from op-amp. এটা সবাই করবে, and I'll ask particular of student to give the answer. Use calculator, okay, that will be perfect. Use a calculator. Yes, Bimban, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I got 1.8 K.
kV.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, 1.8 kV. Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest student? Is he right?
And 18.75.
তাহলে তো আমাকে করতে হবে অঙ্কটা।
Yes, ma'am, 18.75.
18.75. 1.5. ওকে, বিম্বাইন কিভাবে করেছো একটু বলো।
No, ma'am, ঠিকই আছে 18.75.
18.75?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
কার আসেনি 18.75 আমাকে বলো। Is there anyone যার 18.75 আসেনি? Is there anyone who didn't get 18.75?
Ma'am, minus 18.75.
Yes, minus, that will be fine. This is a inverting amplifier. Yes. One more thing. While you are doing this kind of problem, obviously mention minus. Next problem. Do this one. here the question is, what is the range of the voltage gain adjustment in the circuit? Okay. Here you can see there, this is basically a rheostat, this 10 kilo ohm. At first, try to understand the problem. This is a 10 kilo ohm resistance and this is a rheostat. That means if the rheostat is at zero position, resistance is zero. So 10 kilo ohm plus zero will be your first resistance. Then you have to calculate for 10 kilo ohm plus maximum value is here also 10 kilo ohm. So it will be 20 kilo ohm. So at first your Ri will be 10 kilo ohm plus 0. Next your Ri will be 10 kilo ohm plus 10 kilo ohm. So do this one. You will get two output
Ma'am,
voltages. হ্যাঁ বলো
can
Shreyashi.
you repeat again what you said just now?
Here they have asked you to find out the voltage gain range. Okay. So here you will get two voltage gain. One for 10 kilo ohm and when they here that in this rheostat, what is the range resistance range from 0 to 10 kilo ohm? Yes or no? আগে বলো rheostat এর
Yes,
concept কি
ma'am.
clear আছে? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us assume initially the rheostat are at zero position. So this 10 kilo ohm plus 0, that is 10 kilo ohm it is coming. Next let us assume this one is in 10 kilo ohm and this one is in maximum position, that is 10 kilo ohm. So the total is 20 kilo ohm, your Ri. So at first for 10 kilo ohm, find out what is the V output and then find out ACL, that is voltage gain. Then take this 120 and find out the V output and then find out also ACL. And that will be your range from minimum to maximum.
What is the V input value?
V input value লাগবে না, তোমাকে একটু রেঞ্জ চেয়েছে। V output by V input is equal to ACL. তোমাকে ACL ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে। See, voltage gain you have to calculate. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, after finding two different ACL, then after that, what we have to do?
What is the value of when you have taken 10 kilo ohm? What is the value of ACL?
So as Ri, then ACL is come minus 50 volt.
Minus 50 volt. And when you have taken 20 kilo ohm, what is the value of ACL?
Minus 25.
Minus?
25.
Yes. So your range is minus 50 to minus 25.
Okay, ma'am.
That will be your range. Minus as we are giving in the negative inverting input. So your range is 50 to 25. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? এই প্রবলেমে কোনো ডাউট আছে? If you get this kind of rheostat, you will take the minimum value and maximum value and then you will calculate. Clear? কারোর কোনো ডাউট আছে এই প্রবলেমটা? Yes or no? No. সবার আনসার এসেছে from 50 to 25 the range. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next. Do this one. What input voltage result in an output of 2 volt in the circuit? Output is given, you need to calculate the input. This one is 20 kilo ohm. This one is 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm equals to 10 to the power 3 kilo ohm or 10 to the power 6 ohm. 1 mega ohm equals to 10 to the power 3 kilo ohm or 10 to the power 6 ohm. What is the answer?
Minus 0.04 volt.
Minus.
Yes, ma'am. Inverting amplifier.
আরে তোমাকে তো ইনপুট বের করতে হবে। মাইনাসটা ওমিট করে বল।
Oh,
Yeah,
so 0.04 volt.
everyone got the same value.
Ma'am, what is the value of 1 mega ohm? 1 mega ohm is equal to
10 to the power 3 kilo ohm
10 to the power 3. Okay.
or 10 to the power 6 ohm. Write this in your copy. This unit conversion is important. Bimbain বলছো 0.02, right? What about the rest of the student? Kritika, your answer?
Ma'am,
4.
0.04. 0.04. Priyanshu, Kritika, Bimbain. All of you got the same answer. Okay, Shubhadeep also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
So Man Verma also same answer. Very good. So let us move to the next problem. This one. See, here also they have given 0.1 to 0.5 volt. This is your input voltage. Okay. So initially take 0.1. For that, find out the output. Next, acha, you have to write the question also. Write down what is the range of the output voltage in the circuit. What is the range of the output voltage in the circuit if the input vary from 0.1 to 0.5 volt? What is the range of the output voltage in the circuit if the input can vary from 0.1 to 0.5 volt? You have you have some issues with transistors. Transistor বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম ওটা ফার্স্ট সেমে ছিল তো এখন পুরো মাথা থেকে বেরিয়ে গেছে।
মাথা থেকে বেরিয়ে গেছে, বাট ট্রানজিস্টর ইজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ওকে, ডায়োড নিয়ে তো প্রবলেম নেই, ম্যাম তো অনেক আস্তে আস্তে পড়িয়েছেন ডায়োড।
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, in this week, I guess ma'am will give you a brief idea of a transistor. What is basically a transistor, three terminals device. Okay, and basically two PN junction that are basically sandwiched and they are called either PNP transistor or NPN transistor. Okay, so ma'am will discuss the brief, the introduction part, and then on Friday I'll start BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. Okay, BJT and FET, field effect transistors, both are there in your syllabus. So ম্যাম স্টার্ট করবেন, তোমরা একটু ভালো করে ওখানে বুঝো, নাহলে ফ্রাইডে আবার আমাকে বলবে, again I'll explain. Okay, so হ্যাঁ এটা করো। Range of the output voltage in the circuit of the figure this, if the input can vary from 0.1 to 0.5 volt. So what are the answers? What is the range?
From 1 to 5.
-1 to -5.
Minus?
-1 volt to -5 volt.
Yes. 200 divided by 20, that will be 100. Yes, 1 to 5 volt. Everyone got the same value?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you have to give the minus sign or not?
If you give, it's not a big deal because it's an inverting terminal, so better you give,
Okay, ma'am.
because that minus symbol will represent that it is an inverting signal. Okay, acha, you will do this one after some time. At first do this one, this circuit. Write down, calculate the output voltage developed by the circuit. Calculate the output voltage developed by the circuit for RF equals to 330 kilo ohm. Calculate the output voltage developed by the circuit for RF equals to 330 kilo ohm.
RF equals to
330 kilo ohm. 330 kilo ohm. At first find out I1 0. Just write down the total formula. V output equals to minus of RF inside the bracket V1 divided by R1, 0.2 divided by 33 minus of 0.5 divided by 22 plus 0.8 divided by 12. Calculate this and tell me what is the value of V output. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am, can you show the figure once?
I'm telling you the values. Okay, just wait.
I'm 18.49 volt.
16.5 minus 16.5.
16.5. What about the rest students?
Ma'am, 16.5.
It's 16.5. So someone got
18.4.
how? Who got 18.4?
Ma'am, me.
Shubhadeep. How, Shubhadeep?
Ma'am, RF equals to 330 and V1 R1 some value গুলো বসি এটা 330 into 56.06 into 10 to the power minus 3.
330.
Ma'am, I got minus 16.467.
Again, now I'm calculating. 330 into 0.2 divided by 33 into 10 to the power 3 minus 0.5 divided by 22 into 10 to the power 3.
ম্যাম 214.5 পাচ্ছি আমি।
তুমি এত বেশি পাচ্ছ? 214?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Just wait. Let me just calculate it. 0.8 divided by 11 into 10 to the power 3. Fine. আমি এবার এত কম পাচ্ছি কেন? 330 multiply করে কি? Yes, 330 kilo. Okay. Kilo ohm ছিল না? Just wait. Three 30 into 10 to the power 3 করে into 10 to the power 3. It's 18.5, right? 18.5 is the right answer. See, 330 into 10 to the power 3 because 330 kilo ohm, okay? Then inside a first bracket, 0.2 divided by 33 into 10 to the power 3 kilo ohm in there, minus, there is a minus symbol. This is minus 0.5 volt. So minus 0.5 divided by 0.5 divided by 22 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0.8 divided by 12 into 10 to the power 3. Sorry. Oh, you have 12. Here I have taken 11. Actually, এখানে একরকম ভ্যালু আছে আর বইয়ে একরকম আছে। তাহলে আমি 11 দিয়ে ক্যালকুলেট করি। জাস্ট ওয়েট। আমি বইয়ের ভ্যালুটা নিয়েছি। 33, 22, 12. ওকে। 12. তাহলে আবার 16.5 আসছে।
Yes, ma'am. Minus 16.
তো 18.5 যে পেয়েছে সে কি করে পেলো 18.5? This one is 12.
ম্যাম আমি লাস্টে R3 টা আর 11 করে দিয়ে ফেলেছিলাম ভুলে।
কি করে?
যেন লেখা আছে মানে 33, 22 আর 11 নিয়ে নিয়েছিলাম, 12 টা বোঝাতে ঠিক করতে পারিনি। লাস্টে আরো R3 টা আছে না?
বইয়েও 11 আছে, তাই জন্য আমি জিজ্ঞেস করলাম। If
না
you
না
have the Boyle State book,
না
there
না
is
ম্যাম,
also 11. Yes, 16.5 is the correct answer. Okay. Take a rest for 5 minutes and then again we will start. Take a rest for 5 minutes, then we will. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, do more applications of op-amp we are going to study. Number 1, integrator. So in your copy, give a heading op-amp as integrator. Op-amp is such an amplifier which can perform mathematical operations. Okay, and integrator types of op-amp can also be possible. Same as differentiator is also possible. So op-amp as integrator. This is how it looks like. In the feedback path, there is a capacitor. Okay. In the inverting terminal, we are going to give the supply voltage. Okay. In the input terminal, there is a resistance, but in the feedback path, there is a capacitor. So draw this figure at first.
Are you presenting something?
Yes. Why?
দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Not visible, ma'am.
Oh. Just a second. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is op-amp as integrator. This is the circuit. Okay. And this is in this circuit you can see here we are giving the input in the negative terminal, that is in the inverting terminal. In the input path there is an resistance. Okay. And in the feedback path there is a capacitor. Okay. Draw this figure at first. Draw this figure at first. Acha, in this summing amplifier, inside a bracket, write down adder. Maybe you will get in question that write a short note on adder. You may, at that time, you may get confused that what is adder. So adder and summing amplifier, both are same. Once the drawing part is done, let me know. And now write down an integrator circuit. An integrator circuit consists of an op-amp, an integrator circuit consists of an op-amp, comma, input resistance capital R, input resistance capital R, and a feedback capacitor capital C, and a feedback capacitor capital C. লিখেছো?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down, when a signal is applied to the input of this circuit, when the signal is applied to the input of the circuit, the output signal waveform will be the integration of the input signal. The output signal waveform will be the integration of the input signal waveform. Now see, from this equation, from this figure, you can easily understand that small I is equal to IC, yes or no? The current which is passing through the resistor, same current is passing through the capacitor. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And at node A, the voltage is 0 volt due to virtual ground. Virtual ground concept I have already explained in the inverting amplifier part. Clear? Now see, this I is equal to this IC. This current I is equal to IC. Okay. So what is the value of this current? VI minus VA, which is 0. So VI minus 0 divided by R. So VI divided by R. And what is the value of IC? That will be 0 minus V0. That is the VC actually. Voltage across the capacitor will be 0 minus of V0. That is minus V0. Okay, because this one is 0. 0 minus V0, so V0. And IC equals to C into dVC by dt. This one all of you know. Current through a capacitor is equal to C into derivative of the dVC by dt, always. So instead of VC, we are substituting minus of V0. So we are getting minus of C dV0 by dt. Okay. So this two, we are equating this two from this equation I equals to IC. This one equation number 1. This one is equation number 2. So from this condition, we are equating this two and we are getting dV0 by dt equals to minus of 1 by RC VI. Or we will take the integration in both sides and we will get V0 equals to minus of 1 by RC integration from 0 to t VI dt. This is the final equation. দেখো বোঝা গেছে কি না? Derivation part, is that done? Or do you have any doubt? Ask me. Derivation part, is that done or do you have any doubt? Ask me.
ম্যাম আরেকবার এই পার্টটা এক্সপ্লেন করবে, আমার নেটওয়ার্কে একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল।
The current which is passing through this resistance, same current is passing through the capacitance. Okay. So IR equals to, or you can say I equals to IC, because this current is passing through this node and it is going through the feedback resistance, through the feedback capacitor. Okay. So I equals to IC. So at first we have to find out I. I equals to, we know V by R. So VI minus, at this point voltage is 0 due to virtual ground. So VI minus 0 divided by R. So we are getting I equals to VI by R. Make that number, give this one equation number 1. Next, what is the voltage across this capacitor? 0 minus V0. That is minus of V0. So what is the current across this capacitor? IC equals to C dVC by dt. This is the generalized formula, that current through a capacitor C into dVC divided by dt. Instead of VC, As we have calculated across this capacitor, voltage is minus of V0. We are writing that. So minus of C dV0 by dt. Okay, so Vi, now we are equating this to from this formula or from this condition. So Vi by R equals to minus of C dV0 by dt, or dV0 by dt equals to, we are getting minus of 1 by RC into Vi, or dV0 equals to, take that dt in this portion, in this part. After that, we need to take the integration. Then only we will get the V0. So V0 equals to minus of 1 by RC, integration from 0 to T, Vi into dt. That's it. This is the formula for the, this is the voltage gain. V output equals to this. Write this. In the next class, go through the total op-amp chapter, op-amp basic as well as applications of op-amp. And Priyanshu, make sure that everyone must join the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Shall I move to the differentiator part?
No, ma'am. Please wait a minute.
Okay. Done? Shall I move to the differentiator part? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Differentiator. Give a heading, op-amp as differentiator, and then draw this figure. Here, just opposite. Whatever we have seen in the integrated part, in differentiator part, you can see in the feedback terminal there is a resistor, in the input terminal there is a capacitor. So draw this one at first. Comparator circuit is also there in your system. Fine. ড্রয়িং পার্টটা হলে আমাকে বলবে। So do you know what is a CRO? Cathode ray oscilloscope.
No, ma'am.
That is a device actually, okay? Actually, this differentiator here, lots of types of signals are there, okay? Like ramp function, ramp signal, square wave signal, triangular signal. Lots of types of signals are there, just like a sine wave. There is a triangle, I mean triangular signal is there. There's a square signal is there, ramp signal is there. So differentiator is a type of op-amp where we are giving in the input terminal the ramp signal, okay, and in the output terminal we will get the square wave signal, okay. It will be a square wave. And the integrator is such an op-amp where we are giving in the input terminal the square wave signal, and in the output we are getting ramp signal, because square wave signal তুমি যদি integration করো it will be a ramp signal. Similarly, ramp signal in integration, you will study this in your signal and system in third year, not in second year. You may maybe তোমরা ভাবতেই পারো why we are using this differentiator circuit, okay. This differentiator circuit is such a circuit. In the input terminal we are giving the ramp signal, in the output terminal we are getting the square wave signal, and in the integrator circuit, in the input terminal we are giving the square wave, in the output we are getting the ramp. এবার এই যে আমরা সিগন্যাল গুলো পাচ্ছি, whatever signal we are getting, okay, we need to see whether we are exactly getting the square wave or triangular or sinusoidal. হতেই পারে যে তুমি হয়তো দিচ্ছ র্যাম্প সিগন্যাল বাট আসছে সাইনোসোডিয়াল, তখন তো ডিফারেন্সিয়েটর আমি বলবো না। So CRO or cathode ray oscilloscope is a device, okay. এটা বেসিক ইলেকট্রনিক্স ল্যাবে থাকবে। It looks like a box, and in the front part there is a screen, okay, and on that screen you can verify. স্ক্রিনে তোমার দেখাবে সিগন্যালটা কেমন আসছে। If it's sinusoidal, you will see a sinusoidal wave. If it's triangular, you will see there is a triangular wave. And if this is a দেখতে পাবো না until and unless you are using a CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay, in CRO we can see this signal. Clear? বোঝা গেছে কি বললাম? CRO দেখবে যখন থার্ড ইয়ারে পড়বে, তখন সিগন্যাল এন্ড সিস্টেমের সময় দেখবে। Digital electronics, there is a digital electronics lab, there are some CROs are there. Analog lab, in analog labs also there are CROs, but সবই physical lab এ আছে, okay. So write down. Drawing part done.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. A differentiator is a circuit that perform differentiation of the input signal. A differentiator is a circuit that perform differentiation of the input signal.
Differentiator is a
Circuit. A differentiator is a circuit that perform differentiation of the input signal. First off, it's an important application. It's an important application to produce. It's an important application to produce rectangular wave from a ramp input, ramp. Rectangular wave from a ramp input.
What is the spelling?
Ramp, ramp.
And to produce
Rectangular wave or rectangular output from a ramp input. It consists of an op-amp. An input capacitor capital C. It consists of an op-amp, an input capacitor capital C, and feedback resistor capital R. Okay, so just integrator থেকে একটা জায়গাতেই different. In integrator circuit, in the feedback path there is a capacitor. Here in the input terminal there is a capacitor. Okay, so voltage gain, again same logic we will use. IC equals to IR. This is the first logic. Now VA at point A, voltage is also 0. So write down the input current IC equals to the feedback current IR. The input current IC is equal to the feedback current IR, or IC equals to IR. Okay, now see. So what is the value of IR? IR equals to V by R, that is 0 minus V0 divided by R, or IR equals to minus of V0 divided by R. This is the formula for IR. And what is the value of IC? Same. IC equals to, at first let us find out the voltage. Voltage equals to VI minus 0. Voltage across this capacitor, VI minus 0. So it is coming VI. So IC equals to C into dVC by dt, or C into dVI by dt. This voltage VI. Okay, now we will equate these two and we will get V0 equals to minus of RC dVI by dt. That's it. This is the output voltage. Minus of RC dVI by dt. Done? Is this part done? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let us go to the problem. Now do this one. This, draw the figure. I'm dictating the problem. Acha. Circuit this one. I will give you two problems, and at first write down what output voltage result in this circuit for an input of V1 is equal to minus of 0.3 volt. This is A. What output voltage results in this circuit for an input of V1 is equal to minus of 0.3 volt. This is 12 kV, this is 360 kilo ohm. This is A, okay?
Can you repeat the question?
What output voltage result in this circuit for an input of minus of 0.3 volt? This is A. Now write down B. What input must be applied so that in the output side we can get 2.4 volt? What input must be applied? Same circuit, okay? What input must be applied so that in the output side we can get 2.4 volt? What are the answers? একটাও কি হয়েছে?
ম্যাম ফার্স্টটা 9.3 হবে মাইনাস 9.3 ভোল্ট
9.3 volt. আচ্ছা।
Yes, ma'am.
9.3 মান
Yes, ma'am.
বিম্বায়ন
আমি তো -9 পেলাম।
Minus 9.3.
minus 9.3. That will be inverting because here already in the negative, in the input terminal we are giving minus signal, so in the output terminal you will get a positive signal. Okay, minus plus না সিগন্যালটা ইনভার্ট হয়ে যাবে, চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে, right? Value is minus 9.3 or 9.3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do the B part. Next part.
It's 12.92.
12.92 দেখি বাকিরা কি বলছে।
Ma'am, 0.08.
0.08.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me calculate it again. So output is given 2.4. Feedback
Sorry,
is কি বলছো বলো?
0.08.
0.08 হবে।
Bimban,
Yes, ma'am.
your answer is 0.08, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Last, আজকে এটা করো just. This one. Calculate the output voltage for the circuit shown in the figure. This is 1.5 volt. This is 20 kilo ohm. This is 100 kilo ohm. Okay. This one is simply voltage follower. Feedback আছে but কিছু elements নেই. At first, we will do this type of problem step by step wise. At first, just focus on this part. Just break here. We don't need to focus on the next part. Just break over here. Focus over here. Find out the V output at first and tell me what is the value of V output. For voltage follower, what is the formula? For voltage follower, what is the formula?
Ma'am, it's 1 plus RF by
1 plus
RI.
R.
1 point
1 plus RF by RI.
RF, RI, nothing is given. So
It's 1, I think.
for voltage follower, if nothing is given, V output equals to V input. As simple as that. Got it? If nothing is
Ma'am.
given, V out.
Wait, ma'am.
This is a voltage follower circuit. আমি এটা পড়িয়েছিলাম, right?
Yes, ma'am. কিন্তু problem তো হয়নি, I guess.
Problem করাইনি। হ্যাঁ, তো what is the gain of a voltage follower? V output equals to V input. Gain is 1 always. V output equals to V input. So here the output will be 1.5 volt. Now do this one. Now do this one. Find
Minus 7.5. Minus 7.5 volt.
what about the rest students?
Yes, ma'am. 7.5.
Minus 7.
Minus 7.5. Yes, inverting. Inverting one. Right. Take a screenshot. Give it a try. Find out the final voltage. Calculate the output voltage V2 and V3. Take a screenshot. This one is voltage follower, simple voltage follower. So this will be 0.2 volt and then it is coming over here and also over here. Okay. You will do this one. In the next class, you will tell me the answer. And this also. Calculate V output in the circuit.
That's it.
Yes. Okay. Take a screenshot. Just a second. Just a second. Take a screenshot. Just a second. Let me just. Yes. Question is also there. And this is next problem. 17. I mean this one. Calculate V output in the circuit. Voltage subtraction. In the next class, I'll tell you this one. Voltage subtraction or voltage as a subtractor. Voltage buffer circuit. Control source, voltage control current source. Instrumentation circuit. Okay, instrumentation amplifier. And filter partটা মনে হচ্ছে তোমাদের আছে. Using op-amp, high pass filter, low pass filter, band pass filter and band reject filter. Circuit theory তে are you guys studying filter? এখন অবধি হয়েছে? Is this part done? Yes or no?
And filter circuits and problem.
Yes, বলো filter circuit হয়েছে?
Filter circuit এখনো ওরকম ভাবে হয়নি।
So do you know that there are 4 types of filters?
No ma'am. No ma'am.
Basically there are 4 types of filters: high pass, low pass, band reject. So in circuit all filters are same, okay? And here in analog we will study filters using op-amp. This is also an applications of op-amp. So just give me 1 minute. Let me just check your syllabus. I guess yes, op-amp filter circuit is there in your syllabus. Don't leave the class. Okay. Direct couple multi-stage amplifier. Okay. Internal structure of an op-amp done. Ideal op-amp done. Output offset voltage, input bias current, input offset current, slew rate, GaN bandwidth product. This all are done, right? Hello? Hello, are you guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So this all, please reply. This all are done, right? Internal structure of an op-amp, that is the DA portion, ideal op-amp, and an offset voltage, input bias current, input offset current, slew rate, gain, bandwidth product. This all are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Application, linear application of op-amp, idealized analysis of op-amp circuit, inverting, non-inverting done. Differential amplifier we have already discussed. Integrator discussed. Differentiator done. In your copy, please write down instrumentation amplifier. Someone please take a note. Instrumentation amplifier. Subtractor. Instrumentation amplifier, comma, subtractor, comma, active filter.
After subtractor, ma'am.
Active filter. Active filters using op-amp. Obviously write down that thing. Active filters using op-amp. Comma, lead slash lag compensator. Just write down compensator. Just write down compensator. And then write down voltage regulator, analog to digital conversion. Voltage regulator, analog to digital conversion. And I'll talk to HOD sir. PI, PID controllers are there, but that you will study in control system third year again. So এটা মনে হচ্ছে না পড়ালো চলবে তখন ভালো করে
Ma'am, voltage regulator then?
Analog to digital conversion. Analog to digital. Two types of electronics are there, na? Analog electronics and digital electronics. So analog to digital conversion. So this one we will do. So অনেকটা monotonous হয়ে গেছে ওপ্যাম নিয়ে অনেকদিন চলছে ঘাটাঘাটি নেক্সট ক্লাস ওপ্যাম যতটা পড়া হয়েছে go through that, ask me if you have any questions, and we will do some problems, and then we will start BJT in the next 1 hour. BJT শেষ করে আবার এই পোর্শনটা ধরবো, রাইট? নাকি এটা শেষ করে BJT ধরবো? বলো তোমরা কি বলছো? What is your opinion?
After BJT.
After BJT?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we will study BJT in the next class, but first go through OPAM whatever we have studied yet. Midterm এও এতটাই থাকবে, midterm এও এতটাই রাখবো, বেশি কিছু রাখবো না, ঠিক আছে? So just go through OPAM. Now give your attendance. Just a second.